Good morning. It is currently day one of the lockdown. We are currently staying in a holiday park. What else? We have made the executive decision. Our household have made the executive decision to head up to Helensville to jump on our beloved little vessel and have decided to head out on the Kaipara Harbour to self-isolate. Hopefully we will learn some life skills and anything above that. If anything else happens, I'll keep in touch with you guys. But until then, we've got to get out of this bloody place. Okay, bye. Currently, day 2 of our adventure. We have moved on to Waimiko, our little small humble abode boat. Up in Helensville. I will show you the arrangements soon. Here's our room. Mine and Lee. Here. Mum and Dad's bed is here. At night they extend it to a double bed. Then currently food. Our blankets are hanging up right here.
Pass me that cloth there.
What one? It is the 26th of March, day 1 of the official lockdown. Currently we're staying on a boat. The good part about it is that we can see the sky on the hatch above us.
Yes, very cold.
Very cold. We have quite good beds, right, Lee?
What, you said you were uncomfortable?
Well, look, we're just trying to make it. Yeah, the bed situation is, it's a bed.
I was so comfortable last night.
Lee was so comfortable. He looks really cozy. Kayla had a really, really skinny blanket on, but that's okay. Doing well. We have lollies on board. We have all the things on board. If you look down there, that is the hatch. The little hopping hole. Up there, Mum and Dad have a double bed up there. We haven't bitten each other's heads off, so that's pretty good. But until then, this is the day 3.
Oh wow, now you see day 3.
Day 3, but day 1 of lockdown. Day 3 of homelessness, day 1 of lockdown.
What the hell is this? It's my wallet.
So hi Lee, is there anything you'd like to say?
It's not fair.
Why is it not fair? Lee's missing his PlayStation.
Fuck this.
It's quite good to have. It's just me,
Oh,
Lee,
yes,
Mum
so
and Dad.
good.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is 7 o'clock, day 1 of the lockdown. March the 26th, 2020. We'd just like to take you around on a quick little tour about where we are. We're just in the mouth of the creek here. So tranquil, so dead quiet, wow. Crazy. Day 2 of COVID-19 lockdown. We have managed to successfully retrieve our net. This is currently what we have at the moment. About 6 or 7 flounder. What do you got, Mum?
I've got a flounder.
Dad's currently just Ben! It's dinner tonight. We probably have about 12 flounders.
I don't think we should put the net out again. Got enough for a cry now.
He's learning how to pull a flounder out of the net. Remember to grab it like that egg.
This one's dead.
Yeah.
This one's been eaten.
Yep. Is it?
I'm sorry.
Yep, so it looks like we're doing pretty well. The weather's not that great at the moment, as you can see. It's not that great. What I have done is we are...
Nah. Oh, yes, better cut it.
Shit! What have you... Ow!
Oh, yeah, can't bring your feet in there, no?
Last night I had the strangest dream. I sailed away to China on a little rowboat to find you. Ain't nothing gonna take my stride. Nobody gonna slow me us down. Oh no. What's up, Lee? What are your thoughts on staying on a boat for 5 days plus? Day 4 in isolation. I've gone to the hospital or the Shulky clinic to get checked. Apparently I have a soft tissue sprain, so it is the worst pain and most excruciating. I've got something on my teeth. Pain I've ever felt. Me and Lee have just gone to get a feed, and we are just seeing the babies. Social distancing, of course. But... Say hi, honey tie. Hi. Hi, honey tie. These are babies. Mum misses them too much, so she thought she'd come and see them. So we're just see our space. Plus, you know, staying within our means of distance.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, peace. What day is this again? Day 4 of quarantine or what? Day 5? Day 5. Day 5 of COVID-19 self-isolation. Yes! Yes! Ooh, getting bites. Day 5 of quarantine. Ooh. Day 5 of quarantine. We have got ourselves a good feed here of snapper. Just at the mouth of the creek. Just fishing as well. Lee and Dad are just setting the net up. It looks like they've just given me the signal that they've caught some mullet. Yes. So that'll be a treat. No doubt. There's a bit of sandflies here, sorry. But yes, all is good and all is well. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day 6 or 7. I forgot, you know what, let's just not count the days. Anyways, another day, self-isolation, quarantine. We're back out again. We've just been to the creek. Look at that, wow. Wow. Look at that fog out there, wow. Look, we just had our bed out here on the back deck. Say hi, Lee. Say hi, Lee. Hi. Did not say hi, but it's okay. We shall prevail. Do 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 do. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. 1 week of quarantine. We are now staying at the Parakai Lodge. I'm just having myself a little bath here. Rinsing, just giving myself a real good wash because, oh man, fuck my life. It's so good. Being out on the water is really good, but even coming back and having a nice hot shower and a nice hot bath is just even better. Apart from that, we're mainly staying in the motel for the night. Mum and Dad are on Waimiko. I think tomorrow we'll be taking alternative, we'll be swapping over. Mum and Dad will stay here for the night, and then so forth and so forth. Apart from that, everything's good. I finally get to play PUBG. But other than that, it's really good. Peace. I get out of the bath because this fella wants me to. Look at this.
Look at this. You hungry?
It looks good. That's beautiful.
You hungry?
Yes, I am. It's a nice little bird.
Oh yeah, that's because I tried to make it cordial, so I let it sit by itself. And then I was like, oh no, I'm taking too long.
No, that's beautiful. Lee's done us a dinner, so that's good. Now I can jump back in the bath.
Oh no.
Yes. Well, I don't even care what day it is anymore. There's no point, but we're back on Waimiko anyways. Lee is showing me how he cooks. He's not very happy about it, but he's making the best out of what he has. Water. I'm chopping in a bit of watermelon, but he's making pasta. We've got a bit of bacon there, and we're just going to really utilise what we have tonight.
I need a pot. A goddamn pot. Shit like bitch. Bitch.
He's doing such a good job. This is the first meal he's ever made me, so it's really, oh, well, not the first meal, this is like the 4th meal he's made me. I've all been pasta, but he's perfecting it, honestly. He's gone.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god! Whatever. Just eating breakfast, talking to the kiddies.
Right? Yeah, I'm gonna sell it.
Oh, you got it. You drink. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll give you a ring back in. And see, yeah. You never know. We might have to cross bubble from there online. Have a look. From a distance. We'll do a cup of tea over the fence. Alright then. Okay, love you. Okay, see ya.
I just need a shave.